Hi, I'm Tumsane. We've covered a lot about exponents in the lessons, so I think it's time to see if you've been paying attention. I'm going to hand you over to our game show host, George, who's going to put you through paces and test what knowledge you've gathered so far. So, let's not waste any more time and join George to play the exponential game show.
Hello there. My name is George and welcome to the Exponential Game Show. I am here to see if you really know your stuff. If I could, I would offer grand prizes at this stage, but hopefully your prize will be high marks in the next test you write on exponents. I'm going to give you multiple choice questions with 3 possible answers. You must select the correct one. You might want to use a piece of paper and a pen to do the calculations, but for most of this, you should not need it. Let's get started. Here is number 1. A to the power of 4 multiplied by B to the power of 4 multiplied by A to the power of 2. And here are 3 possible answers. Which one is correct? Did you add 2 and 4 to get A to the power of 6 multiplied by B to the power of 4? Easy enough. Let's move on to the next question. A to the power of 4 multiplied by B, all divided by A multiplied by B. And here are 3 possible answers. Which one is correct? This was easy, right? Let me show you. You subtract the exponents of the A's and cancel the B on the top and on the bottom. Then you're left with A to the power of 3. Told you it was easy. How about this one? A to the power of negative 2 multiplied by A to the power of 3. Can you tell me which one is correct? Nice one if you know your exponential laws. When we multiply the powers of the same base, we just add the exponents. And then the answer will be A. Let's continue. A to the power of negative 2 divided by A to the power of 3. Think carefully. How did it go this time? Did you get A to the power of 5 as your answer? No. When you divide the powers of the same base, you subtract the exponents. So the correct one is 1 divided by A to the power of 5. Try this one. 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of 3x. Go on, give it a go. How did you do? Can you see that it's straightforward subtraction of the exponents? So the answer for this one is 1 divided by 3 to the power of 2x. How many did you get right so far? I'm sure you're doing good. Here we go for another one. X to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 0 multiplied by x to the power of 3, all divided by x to the power of negative 2. Tricky one, hey? But I'm sure you'll do okay. Tricky? Nah, let me show you. Can you see that all the bases are the same? So we just apply the laws of exponents that we've learned. So the answer for this one is x to the power of 7. I can surely see your grand prize coming. Ready for another one? 2m to the power of 2 all to the power of 3. Does raising to a power sound familiar to you? Did you remember to raise each factor in the brackets to the power of 3? If you did, you would get 8m to the power of 6. Don't forget that the 2 is cubed and you have to multiply the exponents 2 and 3, not add them. Having fun? Take a close look at this one. 2m all to the power of 0. Seen this before? Of course you've seen this one before. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So the answer for this one is 1. The next one might look similar to this one, but take a careful look. 2 multiplied by m to the power of 0. This is your last chance. Did you notice the difference? The 2m is not in brackets, so only the m is raised to the power of 0. And remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is the same as 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us an answer of 2. Oh no, we've run out of time again. I hope you've enjoyed the quiz with me, George. Until next time, goodbye.
So, how did you do? You'll notice George tested you on the work we've done so far on multiplying and dividing powers, negative exponents, zero exponents, and raising a power to a power. Here's one last question for you to do. It will need some working out on paper. This is your task for this lesson. Simplify. 2 to the power m times 2 to the power n divided by 2 to the power of m divided by 2 to the power of n. Well, folks, that's all for this lesson. I hope you had fun with George and I. As you can see, maths can be quite exciting. So until next time, salani kahle.